What's the meaning of Cheshire? Cheshire. Cheshire.
Cheshire. Cheshire. Cheshire is a county located in northwestern England. The name Cheshire is derived from the Old English words Cester and Sur, which mean fortified town and district respectively. The county is bordered by Merseyside and Greater Manchester to the north, Derbyshire to the east, Staffordshire and Shropshire to the south, and Wales to the west. Cheshire is known for its picturesque countryside, historic cities such as Chester and Warrington, and its industrial heritage. It is also home to a number of notable landmarks, including the Jodrell Bank Observatory and Tatton Park.